Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by granting camera access and positioning yourself. Open the scanner app, then aim the lens so the QR sits centered in the guide. You want the code 6 to 12 inches away, close enough for detail, far enough to keep focus. Once the app recognizes contrast, it will autofocus automatically, so hold steady. Make sure lighting is even. If the code is glossy, tilt slightly to reduce glare. This early alignment speeds detection and prevents false scans. You wait for the app highlight or beep that indicates a successful read, then review the decoded content on screen. If it's a URL, glance at the domain to confirm legitimacy. If it's a Wi-Fi or contact, check the SSID or name before accepting. Once verified, choose the action, open link, add contact, or copy text, so you control what happens next. Make sure you understand the scheme. Some codes trigger downloads or email drafts, and you should proceed only when you complete the process by executing the chosen action and verifying the result. Confirm a web page loads, a contact appears, or a connection succeeds. If nothing happens, troubleshoot. Clean the lens, increase light, and try moving the phone half the previous distance. Sometimes a slight angle helps focus. If the scanner returns gibberish or a suspicious link, stop immediately. Do not enter credentials, close the app, and report the source. This final check keeps your data safe and the task finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.